Hi guys, my name is Mark Fiel and this is my introduction video where you get to know me a little bit. Just a teeny weeny bit. And since it's an introduction video, I'm gonna make it short. Or long. Depends. I don't know. I actually don't know what's the average video length of an introduction video, so yeah, I don't know. Okay, so like I said, my name is Mark Fiel. I'm 19 years old and I live in the Philippines. I'm a very awkward guy, but when I get in the zone, you'll see that I'm a funny guy. I think. I hope. Anyway, so now the reason why I made this channel is to have fun, make new friends, and basically share my life with you guys through vlogs and Q&As. I post new videos every Mondays, unless there's an occasion like Christmas or New Year, Valentine's Day. What else? Meh. I'm already beginning to notice that this intro has taken longer than it should be. Fuck. To be honest, I didn't really want to do this because I'd probably get like 4 to 5 subscribers like the last time. But then it came to me. So what? With viewers or not, I'm still going to do it. It's what I love. I enjoy recording stuff. I enjoy making vlogs. And what else to do than to share with you guys? I don't know. So yeah, anyways, my name is Mark and I hope you stick with me till the end. So subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you like, and follow me on Twitter, Tumblr, Instagram, and Facebook. Links are down below. And what else? Oh yeah, please subscribe to Connor Franta for me. I really idolize the guy, and he's one of the reasons why I gave YouTubing a second chance. His channel link is down below. Go check it out. He's really funny. So yeah, go on and I'll see you little stalkers next time. Bye!